Terrible cruise changes coming in 2026 that passengers hate. You booked your dream cruise, you paid in full, then you get an email that changes everything. Your ports? Gone. Your 20-year loyalty status? Worthless now. Your drink package? Doesn't work at private islands anymore. Welcome to 2026, the year cruise lines decided to nickel and dime their most loyal passengers. Today we're exposing 9 massive changes that have cruisers absolutely furious. Some will cost you hundreds extra, others will ruin your vacation. The worst part? Many happened after you paid when you can't cancel without losing everything. Let's dive in. Number 1. Norwegian eliminates drink packages at private islands starting March 2026. Norwegian announced that the More at Sea unlimited drink package won't work at Great Stirrup Cay anymore. You paid $100 plus per person per day for unlimited drinks. Now you either pay full bar prices at the island or buy a separate package. Passengers are furious. One Gold cruiser wrote, "How I read this. We want more money." Why? Norwegian just announced a $350 million expansion at Great Stirrup Cay. New water parks, swim-up bars, jet skis. Passengers immediately saw it. You're funding the island renovation. The timing is infuriating because Royal Caribbean's drink packages still work at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. MSCs work at Ocean Cay. Only Norwegian is doing this. You got penalized for choosing Norwegian. If you have a March 2026 cruise book, contact them and ask about the beverage package policy in writing before you sail. Number 2. Carnival eliminates lifetime loyalty status in June 2026. Carnival is launching a new Carnival Rewards program on June 1st, 2026, and they're eliminating lifetime status. For decades, reach Platinum or Diamond, and it was yours for life. Not anymore. Now you requalify every 2 years based on spending, not nights sailed. One Platinum member who reached status after 26 years said, "I just got to Platinum, now I'm a free agent." A survey found 47% of Carnival cruisers said they'd switch cruise lines because of this. A Change.org petition hit 1,000 signatures in days. The new system rewards high-spending suite guests over loyal mid-tier cruisers. Specific perks disappeared. Gold lost arcade credits and welcome treats. Platinum lost their free specialty restaurant meal. Diamond lost upgrade offers. Blue entry tier is gone entirely. Passengers called it betrayal and sold out. Carnival made partial fixes after backlash. Diamond members hitting status by May 31st, 2026 keep lifetime status, and Platinum gets extensions through 2028. But the damage is done. Thousands of passengers are investigating Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, and MSC. If you have Carnival cruises booked, screenshot your current status and benefits now. In June 2026, when conversion happens, you'll want proof of what you're losing. And seriously consider whether Carnival is worth your loyalty anymore. Number 3, Norwegian and cruise lines are changing itineraries after final payment. This is sneaky. Passengers book, pay deposits, plan vacations, pay final balance. Then cruise lines change the entire itinerary. Norwegian's modifying 55-plus sailings between now and March 2027. The most outrageous? Norwegian Getaway's multiple Bahamas sailings, Nassau, Bimini, Great Stirrup Cay, were completely swapped to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. One passenger found out at check-in. They called NCL furious. Response: "Yeah, it's different." Norwegian Jewel lost 16 cruises. Norwegian Star canceled 11 South America sailings. Multiple homeport swaps happened across the fleet. Why cruise lines get away with this? Timing. If you cancel after final payment, you lose your deposit and still owe airfare. You're trapped. Passengers are discussing class action lawsuits and Federal Maritime Commission complaints. Document your itinerary right now. Email your cruise line asking them to confirm it in writing. Screenshot their response. If it changes, you have proof. File a formal FMC complaint if the change is significant. Cruise lines count on passengers not knowing they have options. Number 4, gratuities and onboard costs increased across every cruise line. Royal Caribbean now charges $18.50 per day for standard cabins, up from $16. Disney charges $16 standard, $27.25 for concierge, highest in the industry. For a family of 4 on a 7-night cruise, you're paying $518 just in gratuities at Royal Caribbean. Before the first drink, Carnival's Wi-Fi jumped to $20.40 per day for social, $25.50 for premium. For a week, premium Wi-Fi cost $178.50. The Cheers drink package now costs minimum $82.54 per person per day. For a couple on a 7-night cruise wanting drinks, that's $1,155 before one sip. Disney raised dining plan prices. Quick service increased to $60.47 per adult per night. Princess raised plus packages from $60 to $65 per day. And they removed perks when raising prices. Premium desserts, juice bar access, fitness classes all gone. Do the math. A couple booking a $2,000 per person cruise plus gratuities $259, Wi-Fi $178.50, and a drink package $1,155.80 is now spending $3,593 instead of $4,000. And that doesn't include specialty dining, excursions, or photos. Number 5, Hawaii added an 11% cruise tax effective January 1st, 2026. This is a brand new tax. Hawaii extended the transient accommodations tax to cruise passengers. That's 11% per day your ship docks in Hawaiian ports. For a 7-day inter-island cruise at $2,000 per person, the tax adds $220. For a family of 4, that's $880 extra. Disney notified guests of 2026 Hawaiian sailings about $400 plus in additional charges due to the tax. Those who hadn't paid in full saw higher costs. Those who paid in full got a bill for the difference. The cruise industry filed a lawsuit claiming the tax violates federal law, but it's already in effect for 2026. Norwegian's Pride of America, which operates year-round inter-island itineraries, faces the biggest hit since the tax applies every night. If you have a 2026 Hawaii cruise booked, ask your travel agent to break down tax charges separately. If you haven't booked Hawaii yet, seriously consider Alaska, Mexico, or the Caribbean instead. Number 6, European over-tourism restrictions are eliminating ports and shortening time ashore. Cannes restricted ships to under 1,000 passengers starting January 1st, 2026. Nice attempted to ban ships over 900 passengers. The French Côte d'Azur caps ports at 3,000 maximum passengers total, with only 15 cruise visits allowed in July-August. Barcelona is closing 2 of 7 cruise terminals. Amsterdam is cutting cruise calls to 100 per year by 2026, a 50% reduction. Venice banned large ships. Greece is considering daily visitor caps for Santorini and Mykonos. The result? Fewer ships can visit popular ports. More tendering instead of docking. Longer wait times for shore excursions. Potential major itinerary changes if your cruise line can't secure a berth. If you have a 2026 Mediterranean cruise booked, contact your cruise line now asking for written confirmation that all advertised ports remain on the itinerary. Ask about tendering policies. Get details in writing while you can still cancel if unhappy. Number 7. Royal Caribbean's new beach club charges $200 per person per day for what used to be included. Royal Beach Club in Nassau, opening December 2025, doesn't accept your regular drink package. Your unlimited beverage package doesn't work there. Instead, you buy a separate all-inclusive day pass at $199.99 per person. Ages 13 plus cost $149.99. Ages 4 to 12 cost $109.99. The Ultimate Family Cabana costs $9,999.99. Compare this to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, where drink packages work. Only Royal Caribbean is doing this with the new property. One passenger said, "I paid for a drink package specifically because I thought it covered everything. Now I'm getting nickeled and dimed." Royal Caribbean offers combo packages, trying to soften the blow at $124.99 per day. But that's still extra on top of your cruise fare. Gratuities, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, and excursions. For a family of 4, a single beach club visit could add $700 to $1,000 to your vacation cost. Before your cruise, call Royal Caribbean and ask if your itinerary stops at Royal Beach Club. Get pricing in writing, and if you book future sailings after Royal Beach Club Cozumel opens December 2026, expect similar policies. Private islands are shifting from included to paid attractions. Number 8, Disney and Princess are canceling sailings and delaying new ships. Disney delayed Disney Adventure's maiden voyage from December 15th, 2025 to March 10th, 2026. All January-March sailings were canceled. Disney Magic's April 19th, 2026 Pacific Coast cruise was also canceled due to dry dock changes. P&O Cruises canceled multiple 2026 sailings. Arvia lost Mediterranean and Spain/France cruises. Ventura canceled Spain, Portugal, and Canary Islands sailings. Princess eliminated all Majestic Princess sailings from Galveston for winter 2026 to 2027. Galveston is the 4th busiest cruise port in the country. Now Princess has no ship there. Passengers lose convenient homeport options. One Princess passenger's October 2026 Canary Islands cruise was changed to a completely different European capitals itinerary from Southampton. She said, "Would not have booked this cruise if I knew. When cruise lines make fundamental changes, passengers lose trust. Before booking any 2026 cruise, check the booking date and ask for cancellation policies in writing. Get it confirmed. Cruise lines are modifying schedules more aggressively than ever. Number 9. Service cuts are hitting passengers while prices rise everywhere. Royal Caribbean eliminated twice-daily housekeeping for standard cabins. Food quality reportedly declined at multiple lines. Cruise critic members described dining as a big step down from pre-COVID cruising. Lamb chops and high-quality items got cut. Norwegian eliminated Broadway shows from its fleet. Footloose, Kinky Boots, Summer, gone. Replaced with NCL-produced shows passengers describe as less distinctive. Norwegian cut the Plus upgrade option for more at sea. Limited daily planners to app only. Restricted NY strip steak to every other night. Introduced $10 no-show fees for specialty restaurant reservations. Carnival eliminated full VIFP party experiences. Princess removed premium desserts, juice bar access, and fitness classes from updated packages. The message is clear. Prices are going up. Services are going down. One longtime cruiser summarized perfectly. Every earnings call goes on about how much more people are spending, but quality of experiences haven't increased. You're getting less for more money. Document your experience. Take photos. Write down dates of missed services. After your cruise, file complaints with Better Business Bureau, Cruise Critic, Google, and TripAdvisor. Vote with your wallet. If this helped you understand what's coming in 2026, hit like, subscribe for more cruise news and insider secrets, and comment Cruise Smart below. Don't get caught off guard in 2026. Know what's coming, plan accordingly. Stand up for your vacation experience. Until next time, sail smart.